In every shop or on every truck, there's always that one piece of equipment. It's not the biggest, it's not the flashiest, but it's the one you count on. It's steady, it's reliable, and it's always there when you need it, even if it doesn't get all the recognition it deserves. For us, that machine is the Red-D-Arc GX200. We love this machine, and our customers love this machine because it gets the job done. It's one of the most reliable welders you'll ever find. In fact, we work directly with the manufacturer to help fine-tune this welder for the kind of tough, real-world jobs you face every day. It's not in our fleet because it fills a slot, it's here because it works. First off, the Honda engine. You know what that means. It starts, it runs, and it sips fuel. No-nonsense reliability. It's a 200 amp DC stick welder with a brushless alternator. What does that mean for you? It means a smooth, stable arc with low spatter. It makes you a better welder. It has 3 output taps for low, medium, and high amperage selection, which provides more accurate current control. And here's the added bonus. It's got a 120 volt and a 240 volt plug. That means you've got up to 4,000 watts of auxiliary power. That's not just for a light bulb, folks. That's real power to run a grinder, or lights, or a drill, all while you've got your welder ready to go. It's a true 2-in-1 workhorse. We see these go out every day to steel erectors, roofing crews, overhead door installers, and mobile repair guys. Weighing in between 219 to 230 pounds, depending on the model, you can get it in the truck, up on the lift, and to the job site easy. It has a self-recoil pull start rope with an automatic decompressor, or an optional electric start with a 12-volt battery. It comes standard with a protective frame, and there's an available shop cart to make it even easier to move around. No excuses. At Red-D-Arc, we're not just for renting or selling you any piece of equipment. We've got one of the biggest fleets in North America and a knowledgeable team to support it. From multi-operator racks and power generators to compact workhorses like this, we know the welding industry because we're in the welding industry. We know what you need to get the job done. So whether you're in the shop or out on the site, we'll get the right gear like this GX200 out to you when you need it. Let's get to work. For more information, visit reddarc.com or give us a call.